Hello students, how are you all? Myself Ankita Best and I am your GK teacher. You all are welcome to my class of 4th and today we will start our new chapter of GK, which is chapter number 3. So let's start. Name of the chapter is Interesting Facts About Us. So let's start. There are several types of animal around us. All the animals have a specific quality which make them different to each other. Here we are giving some interesting facts about animal. Let's read and learn about them. So students, here as you know by the name of the chapter, that in this chapter we will read some interesting facts about us. But here us means some of the animals. There are different kinds of animal and they all have specific qualities. Here some different specific qualities we will read in this chapter. So let's start. First is, as you can see in the picture, first one is a bird. So let's read what is interesting about it. First is, birds do not sleep in their nest. They may occasionally nap in them, but they actually sleep in other places. So students, usually we know that birds make their nest and they lay eggs in that. We thought that most of the students also thought that birds may live in their nest, but this is interesting fact that they never sleep in their nest. Occasionally they nap in them. Nap means a short sleep. So sometimes they take a short sleep in their nest, but they never sleep in their nest. Instead of their nest, they sleep on some other places like branches of the trees, etc. So this is very interesting that birds never sleep in their nest. So let's move to next interesting fact. As you can see, here is a mosquito given in the picture. So what is interesting in that? Mosquitoes are attracted to the color blue twice as much as to any other color. So students, if you are wearing the blue color, beware that they are attracted to you. All the mosquitoes attract to blue color twice as any other color. So this is very interesting that blue color is the favorite color of mosquitoes. So when you are wearing your clothes, keep in mind that blue is the favorite color of mosquitoes, that they are attracted to the blue color twice as any other colors. So this is very interesting. Keep in mind. Next is, in North America, a black cat crossing your path is thought to bring bad luck. In Great Britain, a black cat crossing your path is thought to bring good luck. This is very interesting. As you can see, the black cat is always here in India also. Think that it take or bring bad luck when it cross your path. As in the North America also, they think that whenever black cat cross your path, it brings you bad luck. But in Great Britain, they think that when the black cat is cross your path, that means it brings good luck. So it very contrasting fact, or you can say it's all about your mind. So students, there is nothing about it here. This is the fact that some people of North America, you can say North Americans think that while crossing the path, if black cat crossed your path, that means it brings bad luck to you. But in Great Britain, or Britishers think that if a black cat crosses your path, that means it brings good luck. So This is very interesting. So let's move to next interesting fact, which is third. You can see here is a picture of a polar bear. So what is interesting about that? A polar bear can smell and locate its prey at a distance of 20 miles. It's very interesting. As you know that all the polar bears are carnivorous animals. So they strictly are carnivorous, and they have to hunt. They are hunters, or you can say that they are the predators, and they can locate their prey from the distance of 20 miles. 20 miles in kilometers, it will be 32 kilometers, I think. So from the distance of 20 miles they can smell. They have very sensitive nose. They can smell their prey. It's very interesting. Okay, next is dolphin. It's not a fish, it's a mammal. Mammal gives to young ones. Mammal give birth to young ones. So it's very interesting that although dolphin lives in water, but it's not a fish, it's a mammal because it gives to birth their young ones. So these are 4 interesting facts. Let's revise. First one was birds do not sleep in their nest. Second one, mosquitoes are attracted to the color blue twice as much as to any other color. And about cats, North Americans think that when black cat crosses your path, it brings bad luck. But in Great Britain, or Britishers think that when black cat crosses your path, it brings good luck. Fourth one is a polar bear can smell and locate its prey at distance of 20 miles. And fifth one is dolphin is not a fish, it's a mammal. Sorry, I earlier said 4 interesting facts, but these are 5. So let's move to our next interesting facts. So next one is, okay, we have completed the chapter. Now our next chapter is chapter number 4, the record beaters. So let's read what is record beaters, what they are making record or something. Our world is full of adventures and dangerous animals. And among these all animals, some of them have wonderful God-gifted natural speciality. So here also we are discussing some natural speciality. God-gifted means they have God-gifted speciality. So let's read what are their speciality. Here are giving information about some or such type of animals. Let's read and learn about them. So let's read. First is the biggest lizard is the Komodo dragon, which grows over 3 meters and has been said to grow to 9 meters. As you can see in the picture also, it is the biggest lizard. Okay, it's very heavy, and these are the largest lizards in the world. Komodo dragon. The name of the lizard is Komodo dragon, and they can grow up to 9 meters, which is very long. So they are the biggest lizards on earth. Next is the most poisonous snake is the marine cobra of the Western Pacific. So marine cobra is the water cobra, you can say. Marine means it's usually found in seas. So these are the most poisonous snake, or marine cobra is the most poisonous snake which is found in Western Pacific areas. Next is the biggest bird is the ostrich, which can grow up to 2.7 meters tall. As you can see, the biggest bird on earth is ostrich, or you can say ostrich is the biggest bird in or on earth, which can grow up to 2.7 meters tall. So these are the biggest birds on earth. Which one? Ostriches. So let's move to next. Next is the blue whale is the largest living animal on the earth. It may grow about 300 meters long and its weight is more than 200 metric tons. So students, blue whale is the largest living animal on earth. So as you can see, if it is the largest animal, so his height and weight is very long, or it may grow up to 300 meter long. That is very long. You can see it's kind of a ship, or as long as a ship, and weight up to 200 metric tons, which is very much. So blue whale is the largest living animal on the earth. Next is the elephant is the largest land animal. It has no knees, so it can't jump. So as we earlier read that blue whale is the largest living animal on earth, and the elephant is the largest land animal, means it is the largest in land animal. The animal which is elephant is the largest land animal. It has no knees. The elephant has no knees. As you can see, when you see in the pictures, you can easily say that the elephant has no knees, so it can't jump. But it is not fully correct. I want to give you information that animals or elephant is same as elephant's bones are same as humans. Like we have 2 legs and 2 hands. Because of the attachment, or because our bones are which kind of attached to each other, the same kind of bones are found in animals. So the front legs are basically hands of animals, and it has wrist, and back both legs, hind legs are legs of the animals like us, and it has 2 knees here. But generally we say that it has no knees, so it can't jump. So elephant is the largest land animal, and it cannot jump because it has no knees, you can say. But basically it has 2 knees, which are in back legs. In front legs it have 2 elbows, you can see, or wrist. And the animals have same kind of body structure, like 2 legs back side and 2 hands front side. So next is the cheetah is the fastest land animal. It can run at a speed of about 110 kilometers per hour. So students, here picture is given. It is not cheetah, it is a tiger, but we are talking about cheetah. So I have given the picture of cheetah in our first slide. Here cheetah is the fastest land animal because it can run up to 110 kilometers per hour. So let's move to next fact, which is the giraffe is the tallest land animal. It may grow up about 3.5 meters tall. it has no voice at all. So giraffe is the tallest animal, as you know, but it can grow up to 3.5 meters and it has no voice at all. Because of some structure of the giraffe, it is unable to the voice box to say, or no one has heard speaking the giraffe. So we can say that it has no voice at all. So giraffes can't make any voice or sound. Next is the anaconda is the largest snake in the world. It may grow about 11 meters long and weigh over 500 kg. So anaconda is the largest snake in the world. So it is the largest snake, anaconda. In Hindi we are saying that ajgar. It can grow about 11 meters and weigh up to 500 kilometers, almost half ton. It is very heavy means. Next is the snail. As you see in the picture also, a snail picture is given. The snail is the slowest animal on land. It is so lazy that it can sleep for 3 years in one go. Oh God. Means it is very slow animal and it can sleep up to 3 years in one go. So in hibernation it can sleep up to 3 years at one time. Next is the hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. It measured about 5 centimeters long. So as you can see in the picture also, there is a picture of hummingbird is given. So it is the smallest bird on the world in the world and it measured up to 5 centimeters. That means really small. Okay, next interesting fact or specific quality is the swift is the fastest bird. It can stay in the air for a time. Okay, the swift bird name is swift. The swift is the fastest bird and it can stay in the air for a time. Means it can be in one position for so long time. Okay, it is the fastest flying bird. Next is gorilla is the largest ape. So gorilla is the largest ape. Ape in we are saying in Hindi one manush. So gorilla is the largest ape. This is the interesting fact. Next is tortoise is the longest living animal in the world. So tortoise is the longest living animal in the world. The tortoise can live up to some of the facts said that up to 200 years, 300 years they can easily live. So these are some specific qualities of different kinds of animals. So next, now it's your homework. Your homework is read all chapters 2 times at least, and activity is draw or paste 3 pictures of animals in your GK copy. So students, now we have completed our 2 chapters, chapter number 3, chapter number 4. So this is your homework. I will provide exercise work and question answers later. I hope you understand all. That's all for now. Thank you.